Hello, Brent Zimmerman here, Midlands Home Inspections. Performing a home inspection out here in Lincoln today. Got some serious structural issues down here in the basement, the foundation. We got some shearing. This foundation wall here, you can tell here, I'll try and get my hand, it's sheared off. It's pushed in almost 4 inches along here. They have added a couple of steel beams, try and help stop that, correct that. They just nailed those up to the floor joist though. And on the other side, we got the same thing going on, some more shearing down here. This one's only about an inch on that one. Beam comes up, like I said, they just nailed that to the floor joist. Then right here, it's moved since they nailed it because we busted a little floor joist off here. Walls are all bowing throughout. We got a very good horizontal crack over on this one. You're probably out. Well, you can look at the beam they got here. It's touching, and you're off a good, 8 inches along the top. So definitely recommend a structural engineer come in, further evaluate the foundation for the home. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections, looking for you.